In this video, I will be showing you how to share a Canva design as a template. Let's get started. I'll begin by browsing through the extensive library of templates on the Canva home screen. I'm scrolling past the AI video effects and various categories to find a layout that works for me. Under the section for more templates, I'll select this Employee of the Month award. After reviewing the template details in the preview window, I'll click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I'm going to make a few quick adjustments, starting with the recipient's name. I'll click the text and then open the font menu to browse through the different styles. I'm going to scroll through the list until I find the Alyssum font and select it. Next, I'll click on the main heading and open the text color menu to change it to a darker shade from my brand kit. Now that I'm happy with the design, I'll go to the top right corner and click Share. From the list of options, I'll select Template Link. I'll then click the button to create the template link. And finally, I'll click Copy to save the link to my clipboard. And that is how you share your Canva designs as professional templates.